The instructions in this video will help you wire and install the SECUR360 HZ-9309 mounting plate. Before installing, turn the power off at the circuit breaker or fuse that supplies electricity to the installation location. This mounting plate is designed for solid core 14 or 12 AWG wire. If necessary, strip 5/8 inch of insulation from the junction box wires. Use the wire length measuring guide on the back of the mounting plate to ensure the correct exposed wire length. Next, insert the bare or green ground wire from the junction box to the terminal marked G. Insert the white junction box wire to the terminal marked N. And insert the black junction box wire into the terminal marked L. Make sure the wires are pressed fully into each terminal. Tuck the wires into the junction box and place the mounting plate against the junction box. Attach using the 2 mounting screws on the mounting plate. If your house wiring is stranded wire, you'll need to make pigtail connectors made of solid core copper wire. The pigtail wire must match the existing house wiring of 14 or 12 AWG. Cut each pigtail wire to a length of 6 inches. Strip 5/8 inch of insulation from each end of the pigtail wires. Attach one end of the pigtail to the stranded house wiring using a wire nut. Insert the other end of the pigtail into the correct terminal of the mounting plate as instructed earlier. After connecting all 3 wires in this manner, attach the mounting plate to the junction box.